Because usually what happens with these PlayStations, for example, this one is completely dead. The power supply isn't good, the Blu-ray drive isn't good, the motherboard isn't good, it has the yellow light of death, and you could fix it. The fix is temporary, and to pay someone to fix it is not worth the cost, just because you can get a replacement one for pretty cheap these days. Repair's gonna cost you $50. You can probably find one for 60 or 70 or even 100. It's still better than fixing an old one, because even the fixes don't last long, even if it's done by a professional. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna tear this guy down to kind of the bare bones, all the way to smaller components, and then I'll talk about scrap value and part value, I guess. So I'll start now. It's 10:37. Screws get stuck sometimes. It's already not going well. There you go. Got the top off, Blu-ray drive's coming off. A little accident. Take off the cables. Let's open up this Blu-ray drive. Here we'll have some steel. Like I said, it's not worth. This drive is damaged, it's not working. So not really worth much, and to replace a laser is not a good idea either, because all the replacement lasers that are brand new are Chinese made, and they have a high defect rate. So I don't bother doing anything with that. Alright, get the laser out, because the laser has precious metal in it.